If your Payoneer account got blocked, don't panic. It's actually pretty common and there are clear steps you can take to sort it out. First, try to figure out why it was blocked. Usually it comes down to a few reasons. Maybe you didn't complete identity verification, maybe you logged in from a suspicious location, or you might have broken a rule without realizing, like creating more than one account. Payoneer usually sends an email explaining what happened, so definitely check your inbox carefully. Once you know the reason, go to the Payoneer Help Center. If you can't log into your account, click on the option that says can't access your account and follow the prompts. That might be all you need to recover it. If that doesn't work, the next step is to fill out a support request form. Go to their official support page and choose Account Blocked as the issue. Then explain what happened in detail. Make sure to include your full name in the email that's linked to your account. They'll likely ask you to verify your identity. That usually means uploading a clear photo of your government ID, like a passport, a selfie holding that same ID, and possibly a bank statement with your name on it. Make sure all the info matches what you used to sign up. If something doesn't match, it could delay things or trigger additional verification steps. Double check everything before submitting and make sure your documents are clear and readable. Keep in mind that blurry or cropped images are a common reason for delays. If you'd rather talk to someone directly, there's a live chat option in the Help Center, or you can use the contact form on their main site. Just be aware that response times can vary, but they typically reply within a few business days, anywhere from 2 to 5. Be patient, as sometimes follow-up messages are needed to complete the verification. One important tip, don't keep submitting the same request repeatedly. That can slow everything down. Also, whatever you do, don't try to open a new account or use fake documents. That'll just make things worse and could result in permanent restrictions. Stay calm, follow the steps carefully, and be honest. Most of the time, blocked accounts do get resolved, and your Payoneer account should be back up and running once the verification process is completed. Following these steps carefully now will save you a lot of unnecessary stress and ensure that your account remains secure for future transactions.